This is Tiffany, and welcome back to Tea with Tiffany, where I share daily financial wisdom and trendy market analysis. Remember to like and share and leave your tea and comments down below. So, on to our daily financial wisdom of the day. Just one bad trade doesn't get you in a slump. One good trade doesn't get you out either. Okay, so that is our daily financial wisdom, and we're going to move quickly over to our charts to see how things have fared after the holiday. Okay, for EUR USD, this particular market is a buy market. We had a buy order in there, but the market has never rallied to even hit our buy stop order. But this is a buy market, pullback market. We do have our buy stop order in the event that the market does rally later this week. On GBP USD, okay, friends, this is also another buy market. Again, pullbacks are happening in this market. We did have a buy order in here, and we also had a stop loss in. So the market had pulled back, and it hit our stop loss at our entry point and actually knocked us out the market. So we're not actually in this market. We're going to hold off and see if the trend will change because of the pullbacks. We'll have to just wait and see. Patience, okay? USD CHF. This is a sell market. We got our sell order in there. One thing to note that we do have our stop loss in at our entry point. So in the event that the market continues to pull back, it will hit our stop loss at our entry point and go ahead and knock us out the market. The next thing we want to let you know, friends, is that we did get into this market early on. So we're paying ourselves every single day off of this market. We have our stop loss in to protect us, and we're pulling from this market. Like I say every day, first rule of trading, pay yourself first, okay? Now for everyone else, our second rule of trading, our buy-sell indicator is the 50-period moving average. This indicator has moved in between the 200 and the 500 indicator. In the event, whenever that happens, we do not enter in any new buy or sell orders. We wait until our 50-period moving average, our buy-sell indicator, is outside of those 2 points, okay? That is our second rule of trading. Third rule of trading, go ahead and once the market starts to rally, you're seeing some good profits, go ahead and drop that stop loss in at your entry point, okay? Okay, so USD JPY. Now this market is a sell market. Hopefully you guys had your sell order in there. We did. The market had pulled back, knocked us out that market, but we're going to get back into this market. We're going to go ahead and place our sell order because this is a sell market. So go ahead and get in that market. Drop in your sell stop orders, okay? EUR CHF. This is a buy market. We've been buying this for a while. Hopefully you guys also got in too and been buying this. Pay yourself first, okay? EUR GBP. This is another buy market we got in. We placed our buy order. Unfortunately, the market, we're going to see if the market should rally. Great. Now, in the event, friends, that the market continues to pull back and the trend changes, we'll go ahead and take our minor loss, and we will go ahead take out our order, take our minor loss and pivot. And then we'll go ahead and trade according to the trend. That's all we do. We trade according to the trend. We never trade going in the wrong direction. When the market says to get out, to reposition, get out and reposition. The market will pay us nicely every single day because we pay ourselves every single day. A lot size. If you have a large enough lot size, you're able to pay yourself one lot every day. So the market does reward us every single day because we pay ourselves every day. But in the event that we have to take a minor loss, which may happen maybe 2-3 times a month, we go ahead and acknowledge that. We give that back to the market, okay? EUR JPY. Okay, friends, another sell market. We got in early. We're paying ourselves off of this mark. Go ahead and pay yourself. GBP CHF. This is a sell market, friends. Sell order in. The market has not rallied. Sell stop order. We're waiting to see if that should happen, if the market should pull down. Now that we're outside of the holiday season, we should see a lot more volatility. We're going to see how this market, GBP, JPY. This is another sell market. We're in, we're selling, we're going to pay ourselves today, friends. There's about 20 markets in here, 25 markets that we are paying ourselves off very nicely every single day. CHF, JPY. This is another sell market we got in. So, friends, as a reminder, as soon as these trends change, we jump right on into that market. We will trade within the trend. So when that trend changes, we get in at the inception. And I can't reiterate how important it is to get in at the beginning of a trend. Some of these trends can last up to 6 months to 2 years. So we like to get in with both feet and see how long we can ride the trend. It's a beautiful thing, friends. And then we're just paying ourselves every single day. Let's take a look at our oil markets. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring open our chart and we're going to take a look at our oil market. And let's start off with Brent crude. Okay, friends, as you can see, the 50-period moving average is positioned in between the 200 and the 500. And so because of that, that is our no buy, no sell zone. No exceptions in that. If you're not already in that market before that 50-period moving average, enter in between those two zones. If you got in before that, great. You ride that trend all the way out. If unfortunately you are not in there, we're not in there, friends, because we did have to get out. We're not in that market, but when we see that 50-period moving average move outside of that 200 and 500, we're going to be ready. We're going to be ready and we're going to jump into those markets. Okay, so let us take a look at Brent spot. This is also another oil market that we are not going to be getting in. Due to our rules of trading, the 50-period moving average is not positioned where we're either going to buy or sell. Okay, so let us take a look at WTI crude. As you can see, friends, this market has moved outside of our 50-period moving average has moved outside of the 200 and the 500. We were in this market, friends, with our sell order, but we did have a stop loss in our entry point. So when the market pulled back, it actually knocked us out of this market, but we are going to put in another sell stop order and jump back into that market, okay? So we're going to also take a look at WTI spot. Okay, friends, the same with this particular market. The 50-period moving average is positioned outside the 200 and 500. We see that the shading is red. It denotes this is a sell market. So we're going to go ahead and place in a sell stop order. We were in this market, as I mentioned before, but there were pullbacks that happened and it knocked us out of the market. So we're out. We took our profits, but now we're going to get back in with a sell stop order. Only a sell stop order. This market did do some pullbacks, so it could indicate that the market might be going in the other direction. So that's why it's so important that you only put sell stop orders only, okay? So let's take a look at Bitcoin. Now, this is another market that people are interested in. So we're going to jump over here to Bitcoin. Okay, we're going to bring that chart up. Here we go. Okay, so friends, take a look. The 50-period moving average is outside the 200 and the 500. We're still selling this market, but this market has very low volatility, not much action happening here. So we're just holding on to our trade, and we're just paying ourselves off of it every day. Not much activity is happening, but we're paying ourselves, so it doesn't really matter because we're taking a lot size off every day, and we pay ourselves. We got our stop loss in at our entry point to protect our trade. Best thing ever, friends. I can't say enough for that. Okay. So now we're going to take a look at ETH/USD. Now this is also another sell market. A market that's very slow and very low volatility. I was in this market, but the market knocked me out with my stop loss. You can choose to get back in it. Only sell stop orders only, friends, because it's just, and a lot of day traders choose not, that you may choose not to trade this particular market. And I think there's a couple other where the market doesn't have a lot of volatility. So it's just up to you. But if you trade it, sell stop order only, okay? LTC/USD. This is a buy market. We were in this market. It had pulled back, knocked us out of the market, but now the market is rallying again. If you should get into this market, it's going to be a buy stop order only. This is another slow moving market, but this is a buy market, and you're only going to place buy stop orders only, okay? So let us take a look at silver. So we're going to bring our chart open, and we're going to take a look at silver. This is another market that people are interested in. So we're going to get up our silver chart here. So we have our silver chart. So as you can see, the 50-period moving average is positioned in between the 2 and the 500, which denotes if you're not already in this market, this is a no buy, no sell zone. So if you're not already in here, we do not place trades if you're not already in this market. We fortunately got in this market early on. As you can see, the blue shading, when the shading turned from red to blue, when the 50-period moving average was outside of the 2 and the 500, we jumped right into that market with both feet, friends. We jumped in, and we have been paying. We dropped our stop loss in at our entry point, and we have been paying ourselves a lot every single day. It's a beautiful thing, friends. Best thing ever. Okay, let us take a look at gold. Okay, friends, this is a buy market. As you can see, the 50-period moving average is outside the 2 and the 500, and you see this blue shading, and we talked about this was a buy market last week. It was moving kind of slow last week, but now it's taken off. So if you went ahead and got your buy order in last week, you can go ahead and drop that stop loss at your entry point and pay yourselves. Congratulations. The market has taken off. You're going to pay yourself, okay? A lot size. Beautiful, beautiful thing. A beautiful thing to see, okay? So, friends, now we're going to go to USD MXN. This is a sell market. We dropped in a sell order last week. The market was very, very slow, but now the market is starting to take off. So now that the market has started to take off, we're going to just go ahead and drop that stop loss in at our entry point. So in the event in the morning something radical should happen, it will hit our stop loss at our entry point and knock us off the market. No loss. But because the market has rallied, we get to pay ourselves off of this market. Isn't that beautiful, friends? We're going to pay ourselves today on this one here, and drop your stop loss in at your entry point. EURNOK. This is a buy market. Now, we placed our buy order last week, but the market was moving real slow. But now we're seeing some positive results. The market has started to move. We're going to drop our stop loss in at our entry point, and we're going to pay ourselves. First day, we're going to pay ourselves. It took a couple of days. It took a couple of days because of the holiday to start to see some movement, but now we're starting to see that movement, and we're going to pay ourselves. Yeah, beautiful. EURZAR. This is another buy market. Now, friends, we had a buy stop order in here. The market never hit our buy stop order. It has continued to pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back. So we're going to wait. Most likely the trend would probably change, and then we'll pull out our buy stop order because it never triggered, and then we will go ahead and reposition drop in a sell order. But for right now, we'll just leave that buy order in there. Something may happen in the morning, we don't know, but if it continues to pull back, you'll probably never hit our order. So we'll just have to wait and see. That's probably our fourth rule in trading is patience. Okay. Now, USD NOK, this is a sell market. We had our sell order in here. It did hit our sell order, but then the market pulled back. So we're going to wait and see how this is going to pan out. It do look like the market may pull back down, but we don't know. The market knows, we don't. And that's another thing, friends. There's a lot of speculations out there. There's a lot of news out there, a lot of fundamentals out there. As traders, we are not privy to everything that controls a country's currency, whether it goes up or whether it comes down. We are not privy to that. And we know, to have every single fact that's going to dictate what a country's currency is at any minute of the day, we're not privy to that. And it's for someone to say that they are, it's very suspicious, okay? We're not in those countries. We do not know. We don't know the back end. We don't know all the strings that are being pulled up and down. We don't know. But what we do know is what the market says in front of us. It knows it has all this. It is weighing in all the factors, everything that we don't see. Everything that we don't see, the market sees, and everything is factored here in the chart. So we base our trading not on speculation, not on the news. We base it on what the chart says. So if the chart says this is a sell market, now the market is still a sell market, has done some pullbacks. We don't know why, and we may never know why it's pulling back. And even if we had all the facts, it doesn't always tell you how to trade. Doesn't say, okay, because all these 100 factors are in play that this is a buy. We do not know, okay? But the market does. The market will tell us this is a sell market. So we have our sell order. We will be patient. When the sell market is ended, the trend will change. We will pull out and we will reposition, okay? This is non-emotional trading. You don't have to sweat it. You don't have to sweat it and wonder and fret. And it's like, am I going in the right direction? You don't have to, because the market tells us which way we need to be going, okay? USD SEK. Okay, this is another sell market. We had our sell stop order in here. Unfortunately, the market has pulled back. It never even hit our order. We've been waiting and waiting. So we're just going to wait. Patience, number 4, rule of trading, patience. Wait. The market will tell you. I mean, it'll just indisputable. It will tell you when the trend changes, and then it'll let you know. We just pull out and we go the other direction, okay? Just like a fisherman, he adjusts his sails according to the wind, okay? That's how they survive out there in the ocean. If you don't do that, you're going to get killed and drown. Okay, USD SGD. Now this is a strong sell market. We got in as soon as that trend changed to a sell market. We jumped in with both feet. We jumped in. And so we're being paid nicely. So on this market here, if you're in there, pay yourself, okay? First rule of trading, pay yourself. Now, for everyone else who did not get in, it's too late now. Our indicator has moved into that zone where we do not buy or trade, okay? USD ZAR. Okay, this is a sell market. We have our sell stop order in here, friends. It looks like the market is going to pull down and hit our sell stop order, but we're going to wait and see. We're eagerly waiting to see what happens this morning. So tomorrow we'll fill you in on how that has transpired, okay? So this is a sell market. Get on in there, friends. Get in there. CAD, CHF. Okay, friends, this is another sell market, and I'm going to bring that chart up because we have been following that chart as well as with these other charts here, CAD, CHF. Okay, friends, as you can see, the 50-period moving average is outside the 200 and 500, and we see that the shading is red, which denotes sell. So this is a strong sell market, friends, and we ourselves every single day for I don't know, maybe a couple of weeks. Pair sells a lot every day for the last several weeks. Can't get no better than that, friends. It cannot get any better. Okay, so the next market we're going to look at is CAD, JPY, sell market. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Now, we got in early and we've been paying ourselves every day, friends. We got our stop loss in at our entry point. All is well. Now, for everyone else who's not in there, it's too late now. It's too late. Wait until our indicator moves out of that zone, the no buy, no sell zone. Friends, you're always going to have opportunities to get in the market. We can pull out we jump back in, we pull out, we jump back in, we make our money, the trend changes, we jump out, we reposition, we get back in, we make our money. It's wonderful.